Good morning, students. Today we are going to begin with the new topic and the last topic of this lesson, exterior angle of a triangle. So, what is exterior? From the word exterior, we can say that the angle will be outside the triangle. The angle will be outside the triangle. So, suppose this is a triangle ABC. This is a triangle ABC. Now, if we extend one side of the triangle, AC is the side of the triangle. If we extend it a little bit, then what we observe that one angle is formed here outside the triangle. And this angle is adjacent to the interior angle. And together they form a linear pair. They are on the same line, means they form a linear pair. So such type of angle is called the exterior angle of a triangle. What is exterior angle? When we extend the side of the triangle, the angle which is adjacent to the interior and forms linear pair with it is called the exterior angle of the triangle. So here angle PAB is the exterior angle. Now suppose if we extend this side, then again we get this as exterior angle. Why this is exterior angle? Because it is adjacent to interior and it forms linear pair with this interior. So this is also called as exterior. Angle QBC. Angle QBC is also exterior. Now the next one. If we extend this side, then here also we get an exterior angle. Why this is exterior? Because it is adjacent to interior angle. Adjacent means what? Vertex is same, arm is common. So these two are adjacent and together they form linear pair. Now suppose if we extend all the sides of the triangle in both the direction, means suppose this is the side of a triangle, we have extended in the right direction also and in the left also. In the same way, this side also we have extended in both the directions, and this side PR also we have extended in both the direction. So total how many exterior angles we get? See, this is the exterior angle because it forms adjacent pair with interior, and this is also exterior because it forms adjacent pair with the interior and together they form linear pair. ये दोनों भी linear pair है, या फिर ये दोनों अगर लेंगे तो ये भी linear pair है. See, this is linear pair and this is also linear pair. What about this angle? This angle is not exterior. It is not called exterior because it is not adjacent to the interior. Exterior angle कौन सा होता है? जो interior angle को adjacent होता है उसको ही बोलते हैं exterior angle of the triangle. So let's see the definition. On extending one side of a triangle, the angle obtained which forms a linear pair with adjacent interior angle of the triangle is called an exterior angle of that triangle. So vertically opposite जो होता है, ये interior है triangle का, इसका vertically opposite जो है वो exterior नहीं रहेगा, उसका जो adjacent है उसको exterior angle बोलते हैं. So here A and B are exterior, C and D are exterior, E and F are exterior. So total how many exterior angles a triangle can have? Every triangle has 6 exterior angles. Every triangle has 6 exterior angles. So Now we will study a property of the exterior angle of a triangle. So the property says that suppose this is a triangle PQR and PRS is exterior angle. Why it is exterior? Because it is adjacent to this interior and together they form linear pair. Now the property of the exterior angle. See here. Measure angle P plus Q plus PRQ. PRQ means which angle? This one. So if we consider these three angles of the triangle, what will be the sum of all these three angles? It will be 180 degree. Sum of the three angles of a triangle is always 180 degree. And if we consider these two angles, then their sum will also be 180 degree because they are linear pair of angles. PRQ and PRS, they are linear pair, so their addition will also be 180 degree. Now observe these two statements. In these two equations, the right hand side is same. Both the equations have same right hand side, 180, 180. If right hand side is same, it means that the left hand side is also equal. So this complete left side is equal to this left hand side. So this left hand side equal to this one. Now angle PRQ and angle PRQ, it is present on both the side. So if we subtract it from both the side, then also this remaining quantities will be equal. Subtracting PRQ from both side. PRQ यहाँ से भी माइनस कर दिया और यहाँ से भी माइनस कर दिया, तो क्या बचेगा? एंगल P प्लस एंगल Q इक्वल टू एंगल PRS. Okay, this is an equation. Equation is just like a balancing pan. तराजू के जैसे होता है एक इक्वेशन, बीच में इक्वल साइन है, मतलब लेफ्ट और राइट साइड बैलेंस है. अगर दोनों में से हम सेम क्वांटिटी को लेस कर दे, ओके, सपोज बोथ द पैन्स ऑफ द बैलेंसिंग वेट आर हैविंग 2 किलोग्राम ऑफ पोटैटोज. एक तराजू है जिसमें लेफ्ट में 2 किलो पोटैटोज रखे हैं और राइट में भी 2 किलोज पोटैटो रखे हैं. मीन्स दे आर इक्वल, दे आर बैलेंस. नाउ इफ वी रिमूव 50 ग्राम ऑफ पोटैटो फ्रॉम वन साइड and 50 gram of potato from second side, then also the weights will be balanced only. In the same way, in an equation, if we subtract same number from both the side, then also the remaining quantity will be balanced. Now observe P and Q, means these two angle. P plus Q means addition of these two angles इक्वल टू मेजर एंगल PRS. इन दो एंगल्स का एडिशन कितना आया? मेजर ऑफ एक्सटीरियर एंगल. सो व्हाट प्रॉपर्टी वी लर्न फ्रॉम दिस? दैट द मेजर ऑफ द एक्सटीरियर एंगल, दिस इज एक्सटीरियर एंगल PRS. PRS इज एक्सटीरियर एंगल, मीन्स यहाँ से लेकर यहाँ तक. सो मेजर ऑफ दिस एक्सटीरियर एंगल is equal to sum means addition, sum of the measure of remote interior angles. Remote interior angles means what? इसके साथ जो adjacent है वो वाला interior angle छोड़ के बाकी जो बचे हैं दो, उन दोनों का sum कितना होता है? जितना इस एक्सटीरियर एंगल का मेजरमेंट होता है, दैट मच. सो व्हाट प्रॉपर्टी वी स्टडी? दैट द मेजर ऑफ एन एक्सटीरियर एंगल ऑफ अ ट्राइंगल is always equal to sum of the measure of remote interior angle. Sum of measure of remote interior angle. Now let's begin with practice set 21. First question. Angle ACD is an exterior angle of triangle ABC. ACD. This is an exterior angle of triangle ABC. इस ट्राइंगल का ये एक्सटीरियर एंगल है. Also, measure of angle A and B are equal. In this example, the measure of angle A and the measure of angle B is given to be equal. Measure angle ACD is 140 degree. What is the measurement of this angle? 140 degree. Then find the measure of angle A and B. So just now we have seen one property. Using that property we will solve this example. Now angle A and angle B, they are equal. Why? Because it is given like that in the question. Question में दिया है कि इस example में ये दो angle equal रहेंगे. So what we will do? Let measure of angle A be x degree and that x degree will also be the measure of angle B. A और B दोनों equal है तो उनका measure हम लेंगे suppose x. थोड़ी देर के लिए हम लेंगे x. Now by the property of an exterior angle of a triangle, by this property what we know that measure angle A plus measure angle B is equal to measure angle ACD. What is the property? Measure of exterior angle is equal to sum of remote interior angles, addition of the remote interior angle. This is the property. Now how much is measure angle A? It is x. So we will write here x. Therefore x plus B is also x. So again x. A plus B. पर A और B दोनों x है तो A plus B की जगह आ जाएगा x plus x equal to how much is ACD? ACD is given 140 degree. So instead of ACD we will write its value. Now x plus x how much? 2x equal to 140 degree. एक x और एक और x कितने x हो गए? 2x. Now shift 2 on the right side. So multiplication का हो जाएगा division. Now 140 divided by 2 it is 70. 2 sevens are 14 and is 0. So how much is x? 70. But what is x? It is the measure of A and measure of B. So what is the measurement of angle A and B? 70 degree and 70 degree. Therefore measure of angle A equal to 70 degree. Measure of angle B also 70 degree. Understood? Now the second example. Using the measures of the angles given in the figure, find the measure of the remaining three angles. So here 3 intersecting lines are given to you. Due to these 3 intersecting lines, 9 angles are formed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 angles are formed. Out of the 6 angles, the measure of 3 angles is given to you. 8y, 6y and 4y. By using this information, we have to find the measure of this angle and this angle. Understood the question? Now how to find the measure? So observe these two angles. How are these two angles? They are vertically opposite angles. FOE and BOC. See here, this line and this line. Because of these two lines they are formed. Means X shape के कारण ये दो एंगल बने हैं. So this angle will also be 4y. Vertically opposite angles are congruent. Again, this angle and this angle will be congruent, 6y, and this angle and this angle will be congruent. This much understood? They are vertically opposite angle. थोड़ी देर के लिए ये hide कर देंगे. So this shape is X. Then if we hide this line for some time, then this shape is also X. So these are vertically. And if we hide this line, then they are vertically opposite, 4y, 4y. So now we have to find what is y and what is the measure of these angles. Now observe here, this is a straight line, FC. FC is a straight line. Now what you can see, that these three angles, they form a semicircle. Means three angles, they form a straight angle, just like the linear pair. एक ही लाइन के ऊपर ये तीनों एंगल है. मीन्स ये लीनियर पेयर के जैसे है, सेमी सर्कल बना रहे हैं, स्ट्रेट एंगल बन रहा है. सो these three angles addition will be 180 degree, because straight angle means 180 degree. तो ये तीनों एंगल मिला के स्ट्रेट लाइन बन रही है. मीन्स स्ट्रेट एंगल लीनियर पेयर के जैसे. तो ये तीनों का मिला के एडिशन होगा 180 डिग्री. द सम ऑफ द मेजर ऑफ दिस थ्री एंगल्स विल बी 180 डिग्री. मीन्स 6y plus 8y plus 4y will be 180 degree. And by solving this equation, we will find the value of y. Once we get the value of y, then we can put it here and we can find the measure of all the angles. Y की value एक बार पता चल जाएगी, so we can find the measure of all the angles. Understood? So first we will write that y this is 4y, y this is 6y, and y this is 8y. Okay, so let's begin. Solution. Measure angle AOF. AOF is equal to measure angle COD, which is equal to 6y. COD is 6y. So AOF is also 6y. What is the reason of this? Vertically opposite angles. This is 6y. Also this is 4y. So we will write the reason of this also. Measure angle BOC is equal to measure angle FOE. BOC equal to FOE, which is equal to 4y. Again the reason is vertically opposite angles. Now addition of these three is 180 degree. So we will write down measure angle AOF plus measure angle AOB plus measure angle BOC equal to 180 degree. But AOF is 6y, 8y and then 4y. 6y plus 8y plus 4y. This is equal to 180 degree. Now, how many y are there in total? 6 plus 4, 10 plus 8, 18y equal to 180 degree. Now 18 we will shift here. So y will be 180 divided by 18. मल्टीप्लिकेशन है, इसको शिफ्ट करेंगे तो डिवीजन हो जाएगा. एंड 180 डिवाइडेड बाय 18 इज 10. सो y इक्वल टू 10 डिग्री. So now 4y will be how much? 4 into 10 means 40 degree. 6y will be 6 into 10 means 60 degree. And 8y equal to 8 into 10 means 80 degree. So the measure of angle AOF is, see here, AOF means this one. How much it is? AOF 6y, but 6y means 60 degree. So AOF is 60 degree. Then BOC, how much? 4y, but 4y means 40 degree. And last is measure angle EOD, how much? 8y. So measure angle EOD equal to 80 degree. So in this way we have found the measure of all the three angles which are given in the figure. Now the last question. In the isosceles triangle ABC, so first we have drawn an triangle ABC which is isosceles. Isosceles means what? Isosceles triangle means any two sides of the triangle are equal to each other. So when two sides are equal to each other, then the angles opposite to those sides are also equal to each other. See, it is given. Angle A and angle B are equal. ACD is an exterior angle. ACD is an exterior angle. The measure of angle ACB. ACB means which one? ACB. So measure of angle ACB and ACD. ACD are 3x minus 17 and 8x plus 10 respectively. Respectively means what? The two angles measure are given. So the order is, the measure of first angle is the first bracket and measure of second angle is the second bracket. This is the meaning of the word respectively. Respectively means what? पहले का मेजर पहली ब्रैकेट है, दूसरे का मेजर दूसरी ब्रैकेट है. सो ACB का मेजर कितना है? 3x minus 17 and ACD is 8x plus 10. By this information we have to find the measure of ACB, ACD and A angle also. A angle means this and B also. So we have to find the measure of four angles, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now if you observe this two angle, जो इन्फॉर्मेशन दी है उसी के ऊपर से हम सॉल्यूशन स्टार्ट करेंगे. तो इन्फॉर्मेशन जिन एंगल की दी है अगर उनको ऑब्जर्व करें तो टुगेदर दे फॉर्म अ लीनियर पेयर. See here, they are on the same line and they are adjacent to each other. So they form a linear pair. And linear pair कैसे होते हैं? Supplementary means their addition will be always 180 degree. So let's begin with the solution. Measure angle ACD plus measure angle ACB equal to 180 degree. Sum of these angles is 180 degree. What is the reason? Reason is they are angles in linear pair. Now, how much is ACD? ACD is 8x plus 10. 8x plus 10, then this plus sign. Then ACB. ACB means 3x minus 17 equal to 180 degree. Now, 8x plus 3x एक्सप्रेशन के पहले वाली साइन उसकी होती है, किसी भी टर्म के पहले जो साइन होती है वो उस टर्म की होती है. सो हियर पॉजिटिव 8x प्लस 3x, हाउ मच? 11x. एंड 10 minus 17, it is negative 7. One is positive, one is negative. Subtract them and give bigger number sign. Will be 180 degree. Now we have to find the value of x. So पहले -7 को राइट में शिफ्ट करेंगे एंड देन 11 को राइट में शिफ्ट करेंगे. So if we shift -7, then we will get 180 plus 7. Now 180 plus 7 is 187. Now we will shift 11. So only x will remain in left side. X will be 187 upon 11 divided by 11. Therefore x is 17. How much is x? It is 17. Now put the value of x in these two expression. इसमें x कितना था वो हमें नहीं मालूम था, but now we know x. So what will be the measure of angle ACB? ACB is 3x minus 17. But x is 17. So 3 into 17 minus 17. इस एक्सप्रेशन में सिर्फ x की जगह 17 लिखा है क्योंकि x हमारा है 17. Now 3 into 17 is 51 and minus 17. So answer is 34 degree. 51 minus 17 is 34 degree. So angle of ACB is 34 degree. Now the second one is measure angle ACD. ACD is how much? 8x plus 10. But x is 17, so 8 into 17 plus 10 means how much? 136 plus 10 means it is 146 degree. You can check also. 146 plus 34, it comes 180 degree. Now this angle is 34, this angle is 146. This we have found. Now we have to find the measure of these two angles. So we will take these two angles as x because they are equal, and then by using the method of first answer we will find this. So let measure angle A equal to x equal to measure angle B. Now measure angle A plus measure angle B equal to measure angle ACD. एक्सटीरियर एंगल का मेजर उसके रिमोट एंगल्स का एडिशन होता है. दिस इज द प्रॉपर्टी. व्हाट इज द रीजन? बाय प्रॉपर्टी of exterior angle. of a triangle. Now A and B both are x, so x plus x, and angle ACD is how much? 146. X plus x, 2x equal to 146. So x will be 146 divided by 2. Multiplication का हो जाएगा division. Now 146 upon 2 is 73 degree. So therefore measure angle A is 73 degree and measure angle B is also 73 degree. So here we complete our practice set 21 and also we complete the lesson number 4. Okay, solve this in your notebook. Thank you.